Hey guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Fun Cuisine. Today we're going to make tuna wraps, okay? How you guys been? Are you guys ready for the weekend? Today is Friday. Yes, I am so ready. Okay, let me show you guys what I have for you. Okay, as you can see guys, I have my vegetables. I have the tomatoes already cut, okay? And I have my romaine lettuce, okay? And I have my tuna already cleaned, guys. I always do that, guys. Even the chicken, whenever I got them, I just make sure I just wash them before I use them, okay? Because you know they're from the can. You have to make sure you do that, okay? And I have all my onions. I have onions and green peppers and celery, Italian parsley, okay? And I have half a lime juice, okay? And also I have my tortilla flour, okay? And I have my mustard, mayonnaise, and also I'm going to add a little spices to it, you know, pepper flakes. And I have my black pepper, okay? And we're going to add a little salt, not too much, okay? So what we're going to do first, guys, my hands are clean. We're going to start adding all our vegetables, okay? Celery, bell pepper, onions, parsley, okay? All right. And my lime juice and pepper flakes. It's up to you guys. Like whenever I'm making fish, guys, I have to add a little spice to it, okay? And now black pepper. Okay? And now I'm adding a little bit of salt. Half a teaspoon, not too much. Okay. Mustard. It's optional, guys. It's up to you. Okay. Now I'm adding my mayonnaise. 1 big spoon. Another one, okay, maybe a third one, okay? So let's see. Now I'm going to mix up everything, okay? I think I may need some more mayonnaise, guys. Okay, let me add some more. Okay, that should be enough. Guys, whenever you're making your tuna salad or chicken salad, you can just always have, when you have leftovers, you can always make something else. Do something else with your leftovers. Okay. Okay, guys. When we come back, I'm going to do some cleanup. When you come back, we'll finish up. Okay, come back. Okay, guys. Let me show you guys what's going on. Let me give it a taste. Delicious, guys. Look at that. Okay, everything tastes so good. Okay, so what we're going to do next, let me sit that here. I have my tortilla. Okay, so here's what I did, guys. I cut up my lettuce, like, you know, like that, because the middle kind of hard, so I just take it off. Okay, so to make things easy. Okay, so what we're going to do, here's what I'm going to do, guys. Going to add my lettuce. first. Okay, so everything can stay firm. Okay, let's just spread it around. Put a little bit more on top here. Oops, I'm making a mess, guys. Okay, and now I'm adding my tomatoes. Okay, now just do this. Okay, just like that. To make sure everything stays, I'm going to use some, you see, Q-tip. Okay, you see that? Just like that. Okay, I'm going to finish that up, guys. When we come back, I'll show you guys everything else. Okay, come back, guys. Now this is my plate I'm making now, guys. Okay, for me to taste, of course I have to taste. Okay, make sure you spread everything, guys, everything around. Okay, now my tomatoes. Okay, a little bit, two picks. Okay, just wrap it up. Very easy, guys. Okay, alright, let me add a little bit parsley, dry parsley. Okay, that's it. Okay, and voila, there you have it. Okay, very, very easy, guys. Okay, alright, guys, if you guys like this video, this recipe, guys, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and please leave a comment down below the box. Okay, and remember to share with your family and friends, and remember to turn on your notification bell. Whenever I'm coming with a new video, you guys can get the notification. Okay, and guys, give it a try because it's very, very, very good. Okay, when you don't really have time, you can always just go ahead and then do that. And by the way, guys, I use four cans of tuna. Okay, so that's what I use. Now it's time for me to taste. The first bite goes to you guys. Very good. Another bite. Very delicious. Good. Thank you for being with me, guys. I'm going to enjoy my tuna. Have a wonderful day. Bye.